Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. I've been going through and organizing some of my nail supplies, and I just wanted to share with you guys how I've been organizing my nail stickers and nail decals. So this here is just an inexpensive album that I found on Amazon. I will link this exact one down below in the description box for you guys. The reason that I chose this one over some of the other ones that I saw, and sorry about the glare, this one has screws here that allow you to remove some of the pages if you need to. And then this particular one came with these little white strips of paper that allow you to put the name of whatever it is that you have in there. So like, for example, this one I got from a specific shop, so I went ahead and put the shop down. And then again here, this was from a specific Instagram, so I went ahead and put that in there so that I know where I got it from and where to reference it if I need to. So aside from the album itself, the other items that I do recommend that you get are a pair of good sharp scissors, some good adhesive of your choice. I like E6000, but you can use whatever you like. One of the items you're going to need is some Velcro dots. I picked these ones up on Amazon. It's a huge pack for really inexpensive. Again, I was looking for an inexpensive solution for my nail art clutter. So what I like to do with these particular ones is I just take the scratchy side and the soft side, and I just make sure to line those up. Once I have those lined up, I just go ahead and cut them out individually. And then I cut them in half. Now, of course, you could leave these the full size, or you could pick out smaller ones if you prefer. I just find that half works better for my situation. And then you have your little half with pieces of plastic on either side, and that protects the adhesive so that the oils from your fingers don't get onto that or transfer onto the adhesive, making the bond weaker. And then you have your plastic on the top, plastic on the bottom. I like to remove one side of the plastic, and then I hang on to it by the other side of plastic. I pull back the plastic and just line it up on there so that it's sticking to the plastic side, just like that. So then you just want to remove the plastic here on the backing. And then I just simply press it down. Now, if you have trouble with this sticking, because sometimes these can be like fabric on the inside or fabric-like, and sometimes the adhesive dots don't stick very well. In that case, you would just go in with a little E6000 before you stick it down and just put a little dot of that down. And then once I have that in place, I just go ahead and go in with whatever sticker I want to put in there. And of course, you can organize these however you want. You can put more than one in there if you want. It's very customizable. These particular nail stickers I got on Amazon. I'll link those down below for you guys too. But this is a very easy and inexpensive way to display your nail stickers if you need to. For me, I need to be able to have them so people can actually flip through them and look at them, decide what they want, or if I'm looking for a specific design, this makes it easier for me to flip through. Previous to this, I just had them in a drawer, kind of just stuck in there, which wasn't very visually appealing, and it was hard to keep track of when you have a lot. So I hope this helped you guys out. Again, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, have a great day.